To correctly understand how Web3 application actually works, you need to understand the concept of a digital wallet. Basically, the digital wallet is an external application that can hold your identity and your assets. To interact with Web3 applications, instead of providing to those applications all your data, the only thing that you do is actually you connect this external application and you decide what data you want to provide and how you want to interact with those Web3 applications. If you think this is a completely different approach, in the current internet, you log in and you provide all your data to the applications. In the Web3, you create your data in a digital wallet and then you decide to connect it to the application and you decide what you want to provide. Unfortunately, creating a digital wallet is somehow complicated for the average user. You need to install an external application, you need to set it up correctly by creating a secret phrase that you should never lose. Then, to interact with applications, you will need to connect it, decide what asset should be visible to the applications. Every time you will need to interact with those applications, you will need to sign some messages. It's kind of too complicated for the average user. Users expect to have a better user experience. If you think on how applications are working now in the current internet, users log in with a single click. They provide their emails, or sometimes they use their social accounts and they automatically log in, and that's all. They are already onboarded on the application. So in the Web3 ecosystems, we are kind of aware of this problem, and we are now trying to solve the problem by introducing what we call embedded wallets. Instead of expecting the user to have a working digital wallet and connect it to our applications, we allow them to create it with a single click. So basically the user comes to your application, clicks a button, and the application does everything. So it creates the wallet, it attaches it to the current user account, and allows you to interact directly with the blockchain without asking you anything. Probably now you're thinking, okay, but if the application is storing my wallet and the account attached to it and all the data that is attached to this wallet, I mean, we are the same situation as with a normal application. So what's the benefit of having a Web2 application with this approach? Actually, there are some differences here. So the application creates the wallet for you, but in any case, it's able to interact with your data without your explicit consent. And in any time, you can decide to move all your data from this wallet to another one. This is somehow a trade-off between providing the user the full ownership of their identity and their data, and at the same time, you want to provide them something that allows them to onboard easily. A single click and you're ready to go with the application. See, this is the approach we are taking in UCollect. So in UCollect, we want to be able to onboard both types of users. The experience of the user can simply log in to the external wallet and interact as he's used with any Web3 applications. The Web2 user that is approaching for the first time this concept can simply log in by providing their email or doing a login through their social account, and the application will take care of everything. And in any time, the user will be able to export the identity, all the data belonging to this identity, and move them to an external wallet. See, it took us quite a lot to get to this point. Web3 has always struggled on onboarding the average users because of the complexity that external wallets were bringing to the users. Finally, we are at a point where applications like UCollect understood how important is the user experience for the users, and how instead of explaining all the complexity that the Web3 brings to the average users, we need to provide them tools in order to take back the ownership of their data, of their community, and of their revenue models. Thanks for watching.